Good morning. It's 6:11 on your Tuesday morning. We're taking a live look from Winnebago on our TV tower cam and looking towards downtown Wilmington. And the sun is up early this morning, and that's setting up for a very hot day. Temperatures yesterday topped out at 99 degrees. That was just shy of our record high that was set back in 1880. So a very long-standing record, but it looks like we might be hitting those record-breaking temperatures today as they're going to top out in the lower 100s. We do have a heat advisory for all the locations encoded in this orange color from 11 a.m. today until 7 p.m. this evening, just because our heat index values are expected to be up to 107 degrees. So a very hot day on tap, and we're already starting things out very warm. 74 degrees in Lumberton, 79 down in Myrtle Beach, 77 for Elizabethtown, and in Whiteville and Good Morning Port City, we're sitting at 78 degrees. At least we're dealing with rain-free skies. Storm Track 3 radar and satellite shows a few clouds out there. Otherwise, it's a very quiet start to our morning. So if you're heading out to your morning commute, you won't have to deal with any weather delays whatsoever. And it looks like those mostly sunny conditions will continue for another day as this up-level ridge will continue to stay in place. But as we go through the next couple of days, we'll see this high pressure finally start to move eastward and get a more zonal flow in here. That means that heat will finally back off a little bit, but it won't be until the end of the week that we'll finally feel a little relief. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. We're going to be up to 100 degrees today. That's what I'm forecasting for Wilmington, with inland spots being a little bit warmer than that, with our heat index values in the lower 100s as well. Cold front will move through tomorrow, cooling us off just a tad. I say that very lightly because we'll still be in the middle 90s and it will still feel very hot, and then cooler as we go into the weekend with the lower 90s, still above average. Average high is 87 degrees. So if you're going to be outside, make sure you're taking it slow. Here's some safety tips for you. Dressing appropriately, tank tops and shorts, those are what you feel most comfortable in. Make sure you're wearing your sunscreen though, and drink plenty of water, and if you can just stay indoors. That AC is going to feel a whole lot better than being outside in the heat and humidity as well. Tropical satellite, we do have Tropical Storm Bill. This is the second named storm of our 2015 Atlantic hurricane season. This is expected to make landfall here in the next couple of hours in between Corpus Christi and Houston, and it's going to be weakening as it does make landfall. 50-mile-per-hour winds moving that northwest and being weakening to a tropical depression expected by 1 p.m. this afternoon and continuing that trend. Is it going to have any impact here in southeastern North Carolina? It's not, so not going to have any threat to us. Highs stay into the lower 100s. Heat indices very high. If you want to head out to the beach, here's your beach forecast. 91 degrees, southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Another warm night on tap. Very muggy too, mainly clear skies and 7-day forecast. Hot, hot, hot. We've been talking about it for several days and it's going to continue. 95 for a day on Wednesday into Thursday, with the storm chances getting a bit more coverage on Friday and Saturday, but we definitely need the rain. Unfortunately, we don't have a specific day that has a good rain chance.
That was a pretty picture there from Charles Gore.
Yeah, he sent that to me.
Sutton Lake, that was beautiful.
Yeah, that was 2 nights ago. He sent that to me, and it's just very beautiful.
Well, thanks for sharing because it is so gorgeous. But